So I work for the Waste Department of Cardiff Council, and I specifically work on the Love Where You Live campaign. So this is all about working with local residents to help make where they live, work or play to be nice and tidy. So in terms of from a volunteer point of view, we've had to suspend all our Keep Tidy group picks, so they haven't been able to happen. So this meant that some volunteers haven't had access to equipment, or they may have been quite isolated from the groups they're normally involved with. Also, some areas, would benefit from a really regular deep clean by maybe 20, 30, 40 volunteers at least once a month. So those areas aren't getting that attention, and obviously our street cleansing team can only do as much as they can. So anything the volunteers normally do, it is really missed. There's also been a huge increase in COVID-19 related litter. So disposable gloves and masks are just everywhere. So that's created some different issues for us, for both volunteers and for the street cleansing team. And since the restrictions have started easing, the litter's just come back. And with more people out and about in parks and making the most of being outdoors, it's really noticeable. Yeah, we've been really lucky in Cardiff that lots of people during lockdown have really wanted to get involved. It might be that they've just got a bit more time on their hands, or they've wanted to get out as part of their daily exercise and make a difference. But we've had so many people get in contact, get in touch, and go out litter picking in their own time. And it's just been a phenomenal amount of people wanting to get involved and volunteer. So that's been great. So we'd love more young people to get involved in the Love Where You Live campaign and help green up their streets or keep them more tidy. And we really want people to know what young people think about their environment, where they live, and why the effects of litter is bad. The effect litter has on the environment is going to affect young people more than anyone. So we really want them to be part of the solution. So that might be helping us with anti-littering messages, producing short video or voice clips that we can put on our website. But any creative ideas that young people have that can help get the message out there would be great.